Hello Internet, my name is Ryan Ingram, and today we're going to talk about a 4-unit that I purchased around a year ago now. So this deal was brought to me by a good friend of mine actually, and he purchased it for $10,000 or $11,000, and it was a fire damaged unit. So one of the units caught fire, and consequently the city pretty much shut down the building until all of the appropriate things happened, which my friend did. I think he put about $40,000 or $50,000 of work into the building. All of the units, these are 4 units, 1 bed, 1 bath. Each unit is identical or a mirror image of each other. So it's a beautiful brick building, 2-story. It's a massive building, but nonetheless, all of the units are recently remodeled, so they're all gorgeous. If you were to ask someone here in the market, then I think 1 bedroom rents on average are about $450 to $500 per month. But because he did these units so nicely, it is renting for $575 per month across all of the units. So let's talk about these numbers. The purchase price was $100,000. So we jumped right into traditional financing. We approached a lender. We put 25% down and received a loan it's a commercial loan. It's at 5% and it is over 20 years. So it comes out to be just a little bit shy of $500 per month. So this is a pretty good deal. This is one of the better performing properties in our portfolio month over month. We do have some Section 8 tenants. This is one of our few properties that we have on Section 8, and it is a awesome property. I couldn't be more thankful for this, and I actually took my son to this property, and this is one of the first times that he was actually really excited about purchasing a property. And he's 2, he was 2 at the time, he's 3 now, but the only reason he was so excited about this is because the way that the building is shaped, each unit has a front door and back door, and if you open up all of them, you can just run a bunch of laps around the building. So when we purchased it, it was vacant, and him and I ran around in circles for at least an hour that day, and he was just giggling in excitement the entire time. So it's one of my favorite, so far, it's one of my favorite memories with him in real estate investing. But enough with that sap story. Let's talk about the monthly expenses. So each unit is rented out for $575. So the building the gross income for it is $2,300 per month. Now the expenses, we just went over the mortgage. I borrowed $75,000, 5%, 20 years, right at about $500 per month. The taxes are pretty high on this building. They're about $300 per month. We have a pretty solid insurance policy on this building. We have it insured at replacement cost, and it is about $150 per month. And the property management fee that we charge ourselves is 8%, so that is around $184 per month. So the total monthly expenses, all of these combined, is $1,134. If we bring down the income, then we are left with $1,166 per month. And because this was such an intensive rehab project, I thought it would be pretty cool to go through all of the before and after photos. All right, and I just had to throw in a little video of my son and I running around. It was just tons of fun. But thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm striving to answer all of the comments. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Talk to you soon.